PSG, it's a relatively new name in the pump industry. Can you talk us through the history?
Yeah, you know, PSG is relatively new. It was formed in 2008. Actually, PSG is owned by Dover Corporation. But the brands that PSG has is not new. We have brands such as Wilden, Blackmer, MAAG, Movix that have long histories, have been in the business for over 100 years. So well-known brands within our product portfolio.
You mentioned MAAG. I believe that's a recent acquisition. Cost you a lot of money?
No, actually, $200 million was the acquisition, but we know that it's a valuable company, and there's a lot of attributes about MAAG that we like. One that it has is the external gear pump technology, high performance, and it fits our pump space very nicely. But also, it also has access to markets that we weren't necessarily actively in, such as the plastics market. As you know, MAAG is heavily into pelletizing extrusion of plastics, and that helps us as well introduce our brands and introduce our products into markets that maybe that we were known, but now get more access to through MAAG.
Can you talk to us a little bit about the markets? What kind of areas are you serving?
You know, PSG is a pretty diversified company in the sense that we serve multiple markets, but the 5 core markets that we focus on are oil and gas, chemical, hygienic markets, which is food and beverage, cosmetics, pharmaceutical, water, wastewater, transport, military, marine are the core markets that we serve.
And I understand the common thread for all the companies you have, it's your positive displacement pumps?
You know, that's a pretty unique feature of PSG, is that we have a lot of premier brands in the industry that are all positive displacement. And that's one of the unique value propositions that PSG has, is that we carry the premium brands in the positive displacement technology space.
So suppose there's somebody out there who hasn't yet heard of PSG, what would be your one key message to them?
You know, we're in the business of transferring fluids that are critical and valuable to your process in a safe and efficient manner. With positive displacement technologies, you get sealess technologies, you get superior containment, and most importantly, it's all about safety. And so, yeah, we transfer dangerous chemicals and valuable fluids. So if you have a difficult application and that requires a safe and efficient transfer of fluids, positive displacement technology and PSG solutions is I think, would be your answer.